Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not. My name is Haley, and today we are going to go over my March IPSY. Now there's something really special about the March IPSY because in March IPSY gave everybody a 6th item for free. Now normally you get 5, this month they included 6. I don't remember the exact reason why, but I mean, hey, I can't complain. So let's go ahead and see what I got. The first item that I received was this Luxie brush, and let's see, the name of this brush is, well, the number 640, and the name is Pro Precision Tapered. So I'm never really mad about getting brushes. However, I am getting mad that I have received the same shape brush 3 or 4 times now. So first I received this one. Here's the shape. Then I received this one. Here's the shape. And now I have received this one. Here's the shape. So as you can see, they are extremely similar, and like I said, it's not that I don't like brushes. I do like brushes, but I just wish I got a wider variety of brushes. Now this one, compared to these, this one is definitely looser, not as tightly packed as this one in particular. But once again, still, my problem is that I keep getting the same kind of brushes over and over again, and I know, don't they have like an inventory that they see what they sent me each month, and if it's too similar to not do it, I don't know. But anyways, brush, it seems really nice. It honestly doesn't seem as fancy as these ones. It just feels like a cheap wood, and can you see the difference? Anyways, moving on. Next product I was the most excited about, like honestly one of the most excited I've ever been for an IPSY product, and this is the one that I got to choose, and it is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Now, being that the full size of this is $68, your girl can't afford it. So the fact that I was able to pick this as my sample this month, I was blown away. I was like, yes, because like I said, there's no way that I could afford this. So it's really, really luxurious feeling. It smells like lavender. It smells like I want to go to sleep. I did try it on my hand. I did not try it on my face yet, but when I swatch it on my hand, it's extremely silky, extremely smooth. Oh, gosh, the smell is just getting me right now. It's so good. So extremely silky, extremely smooth, blends right in. My skin on my hand yesterday seemed to just soak it up, so I can't wait to fully try this on my face. On to another skincare product. This is the Generation Clay. I don't even know what it's called. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So it is a clay mask. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not going to use it, but I mean, it seems like something that I would get a lot of use out of. Brighten your skin and absorb any oil that you have, so I will definitely be giving this a try when it is a self-care day. Finally, some products I can actually fully try. The first one is this Lip Therapy Mask by Awake, and it's a cute, just a little guy. It's really just like a lip balm in a container instead of a stick, so I'm going to put some on my... It has a slight scent. I can't really put my finger on what it is though, but it's just supposed to be a lip mask. I mean, feels like anything on your lips normally would, a little sticky, you know? So it doesn't give any color, it's just kind of there. You're actually supposed to wear it overnight, so maybe that's why it's not, fancier than it is. Next, we have a Galactic Precise Eyeline Marker. I love me a black marker, so here we are. Swatch there. I'm not going to try this on my eyes right now, but I mean, if you can see the swatch, it is really pigmented. It goes on really... I've noticed that when I use this, the felt tip of it is a lot more stiff than most liquid eyeliner felt tips that I've tried before. A lot of them are really flexible and you can really move it, but this one, it really actually doesn't move that much. And that's not a good or bad thing. I guess it just kind of depends on what you like. Cracks in my hands here that it kind of bled into the teeny tiny cracks. Not enough that you would be able to notice on your eyes though, but because it's just on my hand and up close to my face right now, I can see it. But honestly, if you were to put this on your eyes, it wouldn't matter. Also, I swatched this out on my hand yesterday, and after washing my hands and washing my hands and washing my hands, it did not come off easily, so I think that is going to be a plus for this too. That is not going to smear or come off with water. Finally, the last product is from Naked Cosmetics, and it is a pressed pigment eyeshadow. The cool thing about this brand is that it's supposedly all natural ingredients. And this is a full-size sample, so once again, can't complain about that. So it comes in this cute eyeshadow single, and it's this beautiful bronzy shade. I'm not going to put it on my eyes. I am just going to swatch it here for you. So once again, it's kind of in between a gold and a bronze. And maybe copper? Is copper the right word for that? So I'm just trying to play around with it on my hand here just to see, because I'm not putting it on my eyes, to see how it works. It swatched really well. I can see that I smeared it with my hands, and it does kind of smear easily. Now that could be a good thing or a bad thing. If you're just using this on its own, you probably don't want it to smear. But, I mean, if you're going to be blending this out, then I think it's a good thing that it can kind of blend. It didn't really seem to lose too much of its pigment when I kind of smeared it all around. I mean, it got a little bit lighter as expected with any eyeshadow, but once again, it's not that. Alright, those are my 6 products from IPSY this month. Not impressed, but not disappointed. Once again, this is absolutely amazing. I would not be able to try this without IPSY, so IPSY, thank you very much. But also, thank you for getting me hooked on something that I normally can't afford. So, pros and cons, y'all. Other than that, my products are just kind of so-so. I don't know, I'm getting kind of frustrated with the brush situation once again because they're all the same shape, and I'm also kind of getting frustrated with the fact that they're not name brands, but, you know, brands that I normally wouldn't be able to go out and afford, like Tatcha. Every other brand that I've gotten and have gotten in the past is not really one that I've heard of. Not that that's a good or a bad thing, but, you know, when you get an IPSY, it's so you can try these luxury products that you can't normally get. So, you know, I'm not getting those, and it's kind of like, I don't know, I'm still like in the middle with IPSY right now. I don't really know what to do, because most of my bags are just okay, and then every once in a while I get a bag that's amazing. Like last month was absolutely amazing, and you know, this one's just kind of so let me know what you guys think, and if you've tried any of these products and you know how they work and they work well for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.